If I'm just starting content creation, I will take this advice from these top creators. This is actually what I've been sharing with you guys here in this platform, and I was motivated when I saw top content creators sharing the same thing. Right, so basically, I was going through Facebook for content creators, their page, and I came across this article. And after reading this article, I was motivated, and I decided to share this with you guys because you need it. So these guys are actually people who have been creating content for a long time, and these are their experiences, right? And they decided to share it with you guys so that you'll be able to learn from it, right? So I'll be reading some of this article for you guys, right? So number one is from Casanova, and this guy has over 33,000 followers on Facebook, aside from other platforms. So according to this guy said that the advice he will give creators is that you should just be consistent. He said, I have been creating content for 8 years, and this is when I finally blew up. All right, so this guy have been creating content for 8 years, but because of consistency, he's now blowing up, and it's a great thing. All right, so let me read from another person. This one is from Nancy Town. She said that the advice she has to give you guys is that you should start posting consistently. She said, I think is the best advice. If you are scared, just get over it and just start posting. All right, so you don't need to wait for you to get the highest gadgets or all those things. You just need to start with what you have, and once you start, you need to stay consistent. This one is from Ismail, and Ismail has over 91,000 followers on Facebook. He said, do your thing and be yourself and just have fun. Your consistent will kick off from there, right? So I will later explain all this. So the next guy is Raf, and Raf has over 500,000 followers on Facebook, and this is what he has to say. He said, a lot of people get wrapped up in questioning, what should I post? What is going to perform well? But ultimately, if you are creating what makes you happy and what you are inspired by, your audience will find you. Right? So this is what I have been sharing in this page, right? So in summary of everything they say right here is that the most important thing you need as a content creator is to stay consistent, right? No matter what you are putting out there, so far you're consistent, your audience will actually find you, right? And the most important thing is you having fun doing that. So that's why I always say that if you want to go into content creation, don't look at what your friends are doing. Your friend might be good in creating comedy skits. You shouldn't go into that because you see that your friend is doing well in that field. Instead of doing that, what you need to do is to find yourself. It's important for you to find yourself, to understand what you are good at, because if you go into a comedy skit and you are not good at it, you will struggle because it will be difficult for you to stay consistent, and consistency is the major key. Because let me say, for instance, you posted the first comedy skit and nobody is laughing. They say, which side are we supposed to laugh? That will discourage you. All right, and if you keep on reading all those comments, you will be discouraged and immediately you will stop. Right, but once you are doing what you are good at or what you love doing, even though no matter any comment people are putting out there, you are doing it because you are having fun. You don't even care if the money is coming or if people love you. But once you keep on doing that thing, you see that you keep growing step by step. Your audience will find you. It's important for you to understand that whatever you're doing, so far you are good at it, the people who love what you are doing are going to find you. So a lot of content creators, due to because they want views, they want they want followers. Once they start, the only thing they are looking at is the followers and the like and the views, right? Which are important as well. I know you need followers and you need views, you need comments in order to make your post to go viral. But do not look at all those things. The most important thing that you should have in your mind is that this thing I'm doing, am I happy doing it? So when you're happy doing something, you don't care what any other person have to say. You don't care about their opinion. The only thing you need to actually monitor is the kind of content that when you do it, people will react well to it. And you just keep on doing it. Keep on posting every day. Even if you cannot create the content every day, there is a way you can schedule it and tell your audience that you post every Friday, or you post every Wednesday, or you post 3 times in a week. And these people will be expecting you those times that you are posting every week. And the most important thing is that even if you cannot post every day and you can post every Friday, keep on posting every Friday. Do not stop. Even if you are getting views or you are not getting views, keep on posting, because you will not know the video that will blow up. As a content creator, the only thing you need is just one video. Only one video will change your life. right? And if you are posting and you're not getting view and you stop, right, you will not be able to find that video. You can only find that video that will help your life when you are posting consistently, right? Do not look at the views, do not look at the like and the comment. One day you just wake up and you see that one video has blew up. How I got my first 400,000 views on Facebook was just like a joke, like I was just posting consistently. I wasn't actually looking at anything. One morning I just woke up and I was just seeing notification, people are following me and likes and comments were coming in. So I decided to just go and check the particular post that was bringing that. And that was the least post I was even actually thinking that it would blow up. And that post just went viral and gave me my first 60,000 watch minutes, gave me a lot of followers, and I was able to get my page monetized. So as a content creator, what you need is to stay consistent. No matter the result you are getting, the result doesn't matter. Just keep on doing it and you will see that you will get where you are going. Once you stay consistent and allow this thing to sink in you, you will see that you cannot do without creating content. And with that, you see you keep on growing. Even if you are getting 5 views, you start getting 10 views, 20 views, 100 views, 200 views. One day your video will blow up and you see just like that, and tomorrow you buy your own car, buy your own house, right? So if you are just starting content, it's important for you to know that this game is not easy. It's not just the way they tell you that it is. Some people actually started creating content today and next year they blew up. Some people started creating content today and next month they blew up. And some people have been there for years and still they are struggling. It doesn't mean that their time is not going to come. Their time will definitely come, but it will only come when they stay consistent and wait for their time, right? So as a content creator, stay consistent is important. So after reading this article, I decided to share it with you guys because I know it will help a lot of people who are actually trying to start content creation or people who are already doing it, right? So stay consistent. Do not look at the views, do not look at the like, do not look at the followers. When the one video that will blow you up will come, you get the views, get the like, get the comment, get everything all together. So guys, thank you for watching this video from beginning to here. You guys are amazing. I really appreciate you guys. And if you found this video very interesting, I would like you to hit the like button and drop a comment. And don't forget to share this video so that other people get to watch and learn from it. All right. So, and if you're new in this channel, I will urge you to subscribe because in this channel we share amazing content every day and you can't afford to miss them. All right. So thank you all for watching and see you in my next video.